मैंने खुद देखा था। I saw it myself. I saw it myself. तुम मुझ पर भरोसा क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you trust me? Why don't you trust me? तुम्हें अभी तक समझ नहीं आई? You still didn't get it? You still didn't get it? मैंने किसी से कुछ नहीं कहा। I didn't tell anyone anything. I didn't tell anyone anything. तुम बात का बतंगड़ बना देते हो। You blow things out of proportion. You blow things out of proportion. मैंने सिर्फ मदद करना चाही थी। I only wanted to help. I only wanted to help. आखिर तुम चाहते क्या हो? What is it that you actually want? What is it that you actually want? मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं भी यही करता। If I were in your place, I would have done the same. If I were in your place, I would have done the same. मैं तुम्हें blame नहीं कर रहा। I'm not blaming you. I'm not blaming you. तुम हर वक्त नेगेटिव क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you always think negatively? Why do you always think negatively? मैंने तुमसे झूठ नहीं बोला। I didn't lie to you. I didn't lie to you. तुम्हें सब कुछ मजाक लगता है। You think everything is a joke. You think everything is a joke. मैं तुमसे सिर्फ एक बात कह रहा हूँ। I'm just saying one thing to you. I'm just saying one thing to you. मुझे ऐसे जवाब की उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect that kind of reply. I didn't expect that kind of reply. तुम हर बात को पर्सनल ले लेते हो। You take everything personally. You take everything personally. मैं थक गया हूँ सब कुछ समझाते समझाते। I'm tired of explaining everything. I'm tired of explaining everything. मुझे वक्त चाहिए सोचने के लिए। I need time to think. I need time to think. तुम्हें सिर्फ अपनी परवाह है। You only care about yourself. You only care about yourself. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था तुम ऐसा करोगे। I never thought you'd do this. I never thought you'd do this. तुम मेरी बात का मतलब ही नहीं समझते। You don't understand what I really mean. You don't understand what I really mean. मैंने तुम्हें गलत समझा था। I misunderstood you. I misunderstood you. तुम हमेशा मुझे ही ब्लेम करते हो। You always blame me. You always blame me. मैंने सिर्फ तुम्हारा भला चाहा था। I only wished well for you. I only wished well for you. अब सब कुछ बेकार हो चुका है। Now everything is ruined. Now everything is ruined. मुझे किसी से कुछ साबित नहीं करना। I don't need to prove anything to anyone. I don't need to prove anything to anyone. मैंने तुमसे दिल की बात की थी। I spoke to you from the heart. I spoke to you from the heart. तुम खुद ही सब कुछ बिगाड़ देते हो। You ruin everything yourself. You ruin everything yourself. मुझे कुछ वक्त के लिए अकेले रहने दो। Give me some time alone. Give me some time alone. मैं हर बार कंप्रोमाइज़ नहीं कर सकता। I can't compromise every time. I can't compromise every time. तुम सिर्फ बात करना चाहते हो, समझना नहीं। You just want to talk, not understand. You just want to talk, not understand. मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था। I was just kidding. I was just kidding. मैं समझ गया। I got it. I got it. तुम तो बहुत तेज हो। You are really sharp. You are really sharp. ये तो होना ही था। This was bound to happen. This was bound to happen. चलो कोई बात नहीं। It's okay, no worries. It's okay, no worries. मुझे क्या पता था ऐसा होगा। How would I know this would happen? How would I know this would happen? वक्त पे याद करवा देना। Just remind me on time. Just remind me on time. کیا ہی بولوں اب؟ What should I even say now? What should I even say now? میں بیزی تھا اس لیے لیٹ ہو گیا. I was busy, that's why I got late. I was busy, that's why I got late. اچھا تو پھر بعد میں ملتے ہیں. All right, then catch you later. All right, then catch you later. بس یہی تو مسئلہ ہے. That's exactly the problem. That's exactly the problem. یہ کام تو روز کا ہے. This is everyday stuff. This is everyday stuff. میں تو بھول ہی گیا تھا. I totally forgot. I totally forgot. کافی دن بعد نظر آئے ہو. Long time no see. Long time no see. کیا چل رہا ہے آج کل؟ What's going on these days? What's going on these days? میں تو بس گھومنے نکلا تھا. I just stepped out for a walk. I just stepped out for a walk. ہلکا ہلکا بیمار محسوس کر رہا ہوں. I'm feeling bit under the weather. I'm feeling bit under the weather. بس ویسے ہی موڈ آف ہے. Just not feeling it today. Just not feeling it today. تمہارا فون بزی ہی رہتا ہے. Your phone is always busy. Your phone is always busy. کیا فائدہ اتنا اسٹریس لینے کا؟ What's the point of stressing so much? What's the point of stressing so much?